Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite African auntie, and today we are talking about lighting, but we're talking about creative ways to light yourself without breaking the bank and in just really innovative ways. So today I'm using gels, which basically are just colored translucent pieces of paper that you can put over your lights, and they will light your images in really fun, artsy, innovative ways. Basically, a gel looks like this. So I went out to a photography store and I got 4 pieces of different colored gel lights. I got blue, I got yellow, I got purple, and I got pink. Every good photo shoot starts with a really cool outfit. So I have 2 different outfits that I got from River Island, of course my plug, and then I have an extra outfit that I also wanted to experiment with, and I'll link all of the links to all the outfits down below. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is to take 3 different outfits and style them against this one pink backdrop and this one setup, but I'm gonna try and create 3 completely different vibes, because sometimes it's just really tiring to have to change your backdrop, and sometimes maybe you just don't even have the cash to go and spend $30 on a million different backdrops just to get you a million different looks. So this video is different from any other video that I've made because I have never done this before. So basically, I'm gonna walk you through my creative process, and I'm also gonna walk you through my learning process. For me personally, I just find that I learn best by doing. It just doesn't help me to read a million different photography books. I don't feel like I learn anything really until I'm actually executing. I'm shooting with 2 lights today. I have my ring light and then I have my umbrella light. I generally actually like shooting with just 1 ring and 1 umbrella. I know that's not how anyone really does it. That's how we do it on this channel. So I am just going to figure out how to use these gels across these different lights, and I will show you the final result. Please do not judge me, okay? If this turns out to be a complete fail, I want 0 judgment or slander. I will block anyone so quickly if I see even a slither. No, I'm kidding. But you know, I'm sensitive about my shit, so don't drag me too hard. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and let me know if this video is helpful or interesting, or if you learned anything. But anyway, I'm rambling now, so let's just jump right into it. So for my very first outfit, I'm doing this black and white ensemble that I got from River Island. It has a really cool texture, so I wanted to see how this would photograph. So what I'm gonna do for this outfit is I'm gonna use my blue gel on my umbrella light, and then I'm gonna use my pink gel on my ring light, and then I'll see how the 2 colors photograph simultaneously. So what I found was that the pink light was really quite overpowering. So that's the first thing we've learned today, which is actually really obvious, is that obviously different gels have different intensities of colors. So what I'm going to do is instead I'm gonna see how the blue photographs against the pink backdrop just by itself, and I think I like that a little bit more just because it makes my skin tone look a lot more rich, and I just love that look. But these were the 2 results. For my second look, I am doing an outfit that a friend of mine made. She has a clothing line called Panther, and I'll link all of that down in the description box below. So because this is such an Afrocentric look, I was inspired by the Black Panther color palette. And when I think about Black Panther, I think of like the purplish and sort of deep pink hues. And so I wanted to create something that's like Afrocentric, but not in a cliche way. Afrocentric in sort of like a futuristic and sort of dreamy type of feel. So this setup is a little bit more complicated than the first one. What I did for this one is that I layered my yellow gel together with my pink gel, and then I put those two gels on top of my ring light, and then I also used a blue gel to sort of contrast that on the other side, and that's sort of gonna color up my shadows and sort of create more of a purplish hue, so you get the pinks and the purples and just hints of yellows. I also wanted my black to look very black as well, just to create that sort of contrast, and I guess these were the final results. So for my third outfit, I wanted to do something a little bit more vintage. Both the skirt and the crop top are from River Island. I'm obsessed with this outfit. But the textures of this outfit together with the color palette, you know, the sort of mustards with the browns, just sort of give me an old school type of vibe. So what I did for this is that I only used the blue gel and I put that over my ring light. And then I actually used a flash for this. It sort of gives it a type of grainy sort of texture to the picture, so it looks a little bit old school. And it also gives it a little bit more of like a cooler tone. Also, pro tip, if you ever want to get a picture that looks a little bit more old school, use flash. It sort of gives you that like American Apparel sort of hipster look. So I wanted to experiment with how the flash would look against the gel, and this was the final result. So yeah, there we have it, guys. Those are my 3 outfits that I shot using every single one of my gel lights. I think my personal favorite is the Black Panther inspired together with the vintagey picture. I think it's really interesting how you can get such completely different vibes, but you're still using the exact same setup. And the only difference is literally just a piece of paper. Like, isn't that wild? So let me know what your 3 favorites were.